Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video in Maya 2024. Well, today we're going to do a subscriber request. I received an email from Adam, and Adam is a huge monster truck fan. And if you don't know what monster trucks are, because you've been living under a rock or whatnot, this is kind of an idea. Okay, so I'm going to show you a simple way to make tires for one of these, right? And I'm simply going to start off with a polygon cylinder. Now, I'm going to open up the attribute editor, hit Control A, and I'm going to set the subdivision level to 60. Alrighty. Now, we don't need those faces at the end there, so we're going to jump in here. We're going to right click on the face, drag select them, hit delete. So this is basically all we have. Yeah. We're going to go to object mode, E to rotate, hold down J, snap it in increments of 15 degrees until it's flat like this. Then I'm going to hit R to scale it up and get the overall kind of, size that would be appropriate for one of these tires. And I think something like that, right? Okay, next up what we're going to do is we're going to hit insert edge loop. And we're going to do multiple and 2. And then we're going to put them in here. We're going to hit R and we're going to push them together like so. Let's see, yeah, that's about right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump in here and we're going to right click, go to vertex. We're going to drag select these and we're going to hit E to rotate. Jump to our perspective view and we're going to start to rotate that like this. Now once we've done that, we're going to hit R and we're going to slightly scale it up. Nothing major, just slightly, right? Cool. Then next up we're going to hit insert edge loop again, multiple and 1, which will put our edge in the middle, and we'll put one here and one here. And then we'll make sure we have both of them selected. So hit Q on the keyboard. We're going to go to vertex mode, drag select, and shift drag select. Hit R and scale that up somewhat, like that. All right. Next, we're going to go in. We're going to go to edge. We're going to double click on this guy. We're going to shift double click on this guy. And we're going to hit extrude. We're going to hit R to scale that down like so, and then push that out a little bit like this. There you have it. And then we're going to hit G to repeat, and then we're going to hit R to scale down. A little bit like so, right? Now I want to have an edge here, so I'm going to double click on this guy, shift double click on this guy. Sorry, this guy, not that guy. Okay, that can happen sometimes. And we're going to hit bevel. We're going to do 0.01, which is fine. Okay, quick preview smooth. Let's hit 3. Yeah, looks fine. Right. So if you want that top one reinforced, you can do that, but I would not recommend it. Now, what's next? So next thing up, what we're going to do is we're going to select faces. So I'm going to go in here and select this, 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 and this. Yeah. Then we're going to skip one, and we're going to do this. And make sure you don't select any faces on the inside. And actually, what I'll do, because I don't want to extrude on the bottom here, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the whole thing and extrude it. Okay, so 0.1, give it some thickness, so that way when I extrude later I don't have any issues on the inside. Okay, so again we're going to go out here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to skip 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go round and round and round, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so now we're going to extrude, and we're going to give it some thickness. Which should be about right. That should be about right. Yeah. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to 3 to preview smooth. And you get something looking like this, which I think is pretty accurate, right? Let me just do a final check here. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. And there you have it, guys. Yeah, that's a simple way to create some monster truck tires. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.